Monkey Mischief Monkeys. In today's video, we're playing Monkey Mischief, but my thing was on horror while I was joining a public server, and this is what happened. They triplized each other. Oh. The fuck? Are y'all okay? Or so? What? What's happening? Bro, this is supposed to happen. If I move this way. Whoa, hey. Okay, they split it up. Bro. Those be quit! Yo! Who are these, lovebirds or something, bro? Yo, lovebirds? Oh, wait, way funnier. Bro, I swear. Bro, they're scanning the whole map for me, bro. I'm just chilling here, bros. Where are y'all? I swear. If y'all start lovbirding again, I'm just gonna run. Quit! You know what, y'all? Shouldn't I make a run for it? My life depends on it, bro. Can you beat this fast? They're stinky doodle monkeys, bro. They're stinky doodle monkeys, see? My life was depending on it. I almost died. They're not up there though. They're not my usual spot, so I'm just gonna hang here until they like do. Why is there an eye here? Hello? Okay, y'all. I'm gonna make a run for it, bro. I'm gonna run for it to here. What should I do now? They're slow, bro. They're legit slow. I don't see them anywhere. So how about we just make a run for it? This way. Nope, I cannot climb. I don't even see those two. Where are they? Bro, they see me for just a half a second, bro. Really, they kill them that easily. I'm gonna get up here. Let's see if they can see me. They're still over there. Oh. That hurt. Yeah. I don't see them anywhere. Yo, they're over there. Where are they going, bro? But where are they going? Bro, I think they spotted me. Or are they just chasing after someone else? There's nobody else here, bro. I'm the only one here, bro. Be honest, bro. Should I go? Should I just leave the tree? Bro, they're right there. Yep, they're there. So if I jump over here, what would they do? They look up there. So if they're not up there, I should maybe timbers myself. Bro, they're just random spawn. They're like demons, bro. They're demons. Bro, is that blood? That's blood, bro. Bro, that's blood. Okay, let's go to Carnival and see what we should do in there. Like, there's nothing for us to do, so let's just go to Carnival. I have been to Carnival before, and I have never been in here. See, see, no evil monkey to be spotted. Except for the all hail the floating tree, but okay. The jungle gym. I'm gonna go to the jungle gym right now, bro. I know they can't follow me in here, so I'm just gonna bounce around, and then I'm gonna go back to the forest and try to make a run for it. Bro, the jungle gym is the place where I should be, cause I am a monkey. Yeah. No. Ooh. Bit of a mistake there, but okay. Let's just say that they don't know where I am. Well, I'm gonna answer my quick, bro. What's up, y'all? What? Yeah, VR chat. I'm just making a video right now, bro. I'm talking to you in the video, but I'll be just telling my fans that I'm just talking to you. Why is everybody inviting me at this point? No, the evil monkeys. Why are they here? Bro, I seen. Why do they no clip? They no clipped. What? They no clipped on me. There they go. Monkey Mischief and one of the evil monkeys just no clipped through the rock. You're right below me. You're right below me. Why is he? Okay, bro. Okay. I'm just gonna talk to my YouTuber friends. Well, not friends, but the fans. So yeah, I've been talking to my friend this whole time, but damn. You horror monkeys, why are you walking away? I'm still here, bro. I'm still here. Don't you dare no clip again on me, bro. Now y'all see me. Say hi. Bro, I'm so close. Okay, y'all, see you, bye. Ow. You. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Okay, they're down there trying to look for me. I'm gonna jump down here. See if they notice me. They notice me for sure, bro. Yo, stop! Yo, bro, yo. You don't need to stop there. Bye, quick. Yeah. They still know where I am, bro. Hey, yo. Do you still see me? No, that was trying to leave, bro. Can you stop? Yeah, hello. Now y'all see me. Brother, I'm just no click through the whole wall, bro. Yo, they're coming. No. Yo, monkeys, come on in here. Monkeys, get over there. Around the world. I'm on the tree. Whoa, they're fast, bro. Yo, they're fast. Yo, they are fast a lot. Do you see me? Come on, yo, slowpokes. Well, I'm just gonna have fun at the parkour. But why do they always go fast when somebody's on a tree, bro? I'm on stone. Now I'm on tree. Well, they're still over there just doing their thing. Oh well. Go try. You okay, bro? Yo, whoa, yo. They just need to back up for once, bro. Yo, I'm right here. Y'all just doing it around the world. Around the world. Oh. Around the world. Around the world. Around the world. Around the world. Okay, that's not enough for the around the world right now, bro. I'm just gonna pitch climb to the sun now. Bro, they're just scanning the map for me. Bro, lose teeth, bro. Yeah. Yo, why are you fast? Why are you fast, bro? Bro, stop! Should I make room for it or not? Oh, I don't know. Bro, I'm just gonna get myself stuck in carnival, bro. Why does this happen to me? Oh well, that's the end of this video, y'all. Goodbye.